you're so gentle with it. Do you feel it, Mr. Krebs?
105.
105.
Congratulations, sir. High five. How am I doing it? Oh, like that.
All right, Bert, 100 more.
Oh. Oh, God.
Push,
Yeah.
push, breathe and push.
I can't tell you how many like YouTubers I watch, and they'll actually say like, yeah, I say things like 6 times to make sure I get it right.
Yeah.
Even if it's a joke.
Yeah, exactly. I can't even do it. I'm not acting at all. I can't fucking do this guy. But I mean, that's it. So we're doing dips, right, Bert?
We're doing dips.
The only dip I got is in my pocket.
Is that for Evo, Doc?
Spread them. Like a police officer. Spread them. Or get tased. By this cock.
Spread them legs, boy.
Oh yeah, baby. Just for you. Oh, fuck me.
Bitch. Ooh. And what are we talking about, Bird?
I'm hoping sucking dick.
You want that, don't you?
This man right here. Oh my God.
Dude, now we know I get paid so much on the corners.
You see that face?
Sir, your knees are supposed to be on the thing. I don't give a shit. Your knees are, sir.
If you don't send it.
Just send it, Bird.
Oh, how do you...
Oh God. I got this. Oh, I got this. I can give birth now. Oh. Oh.
Come on, one more. Was that the seat or was that you that farted? Bird, what are we doing?
Sucking dick.
Full send. Full send. Full send. Full send. One more. Blows out his hammy.
Can I get a home, yeah?
Get in that car, boy. And then we got this man Zach over here. Stop.
It's a Ford.
Brand new 2018 Ford Fusion
I can't afford it.
with that good old magnetic color. And what is this? Oh,
It's a dry piece of shit. That's what it is.
look at that man, thinking he's all cool. What's up, guys? I'm gonna take over the camera for a second. We're, gonna be fat asses, heading straight to Waffle House. This man. So as I was saying, we're gonna be heading to Waffle House. Yeah, I love that sound. Just wait till I get that new blow-off valve, new exhaust. Everything's gonna be different. Uh-oh. Full send.
I used to drag race here back in high school. From here to the railroad tracks is exactly 1/4 mile. On green, I'm going. Alright.
Who's taking it? And this little Dodge Magnum would get in front of me. Hey. They turned. We'll catch up in a second. Hate these roads here in Columbus, but gotta live with them. Haha, fuckers.
Bro, that's a slow Evo. What? Bitch!
I know I'm crooked, it's okay.
I used to race here back in high school.
Really?
Not really.